Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these three-digit numbers A, B, C, and the other number is A, B, B. And if we add these two numbers, we are supposed to get 777. And bear in mind that our these numbers A, B, C are supposed to be between 0 and 9. And now our task is to find the value of A, the value of B, and finally the value of C. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And now let's go ahead and add these two numbers. And we are supposed to get 777. So therefore, we are going to put these numbers vertically, and that's going to make our job simple. And we can easily add these numbers vertically. And now we are going to look at this position. And here we can see we got A and A. If we add them, we are supposed to get an even number that is going to be less than 7, and that number is going to be 6. So if we add these two numbers, if we get 6, then our A value has got to be 3, and this value has got to be 3 as well. And here we are going to carry over 1 over here. So 7 is going to become 17. And now we are going to focus on these numbers on this position. And here we are going to add B and B. And the number, when we add them, is supposed to be less than 17, and it's going to be an even number. So therefore, this even number less than 17 is going to be 16. So therefore, B plus B, which is going to be 2B, equal to 16. So therefore, our B value has got to be 8, and this B value has got to be 8 as well. So therefore, we are going to carry over 1 over here. So 7 is going to become 17. And we are going to focus on the numbers on this position. And here, if we add these two numbers, C and B, we are supposed to get 17. And now let's make an observation. We found out our B value as 8 over here. So therefore, our B value is going to be 8. So now C plus 8 is supposed to be 17. So therefore, our C value has got to be 9, such that 9 plus 8 is indeed going to give us 17. So thus we can see our first number turns out to be 389. And the second number is 388. And if we add these two numbers, we indeed going to get 777. So thus our A value turns out to be 3, B value turns out to be 8, and C value turns out to be 9. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.